A Department of Justice official says the Philippine government has no choice but to comply once the International Criminal Court issues an arrest warrant against Senator Bato de la Rosa. In a press conference on Tuesday, November 11, Chief State Counsel Dennis Chan explains that the principle of reciprocity governs relations among nations. This is even though the ICC cannot legally compel the Philippines to comply due to its withdrawal from the Rome Statute.
Even if we may not be part of the ICC anymore, there is still that principle of reciprocity that governs between relations among nations.
Reciprocity among nations is a fundamental principle in international relations. Here, law is a give-and-take agreement where the favors, benefits, and penalties granted by one state to another should be returned in kind. On the other hand, Prosecutor General Richard Anthony Fadulyon says he believes that compliance with the ICC order is inevitable. Fadulyon says that if the route taken is extradition, then the process of compliance with the arrest order could take longer. However, if there is a surrender, he says the process of compliance will be much faster.
Yeah, I believe we will have to comply. You're correct in pointing out that one of the possible effects would be, or one of the possible situations would be just determining the length of time when it would actually be implemented. Kasi depending on the route that you will take, nabanggit na nga kanina, kapag extradition, it takes quite some time because you still have to go through a trial, whereas a surrender would be immediate.
The ICC said on Monday, November 10, that it couldn't confirm the alleged issuance of an arrest warrant against De La Rosa. Ombudsman Aboying Remulla earlier said a warrant was issued against De La Rosa in connection with the Duterte administration's war on drugs. As of Tuesday, the Philippine government has not yet received official communication from either the Department of Foreign Affairs or the Philippine Center on Transnational Crime regarding the receipt of the warrant.